Every year, 99% of the students start their SSC preparation with one belief that if they study hard, they will eventually get selected. And because of that myth, they stuck in the loop of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years of preparation and they do not get out of it. Why? Because they are studying hard means they try to do everything possible in SSC syllabus and they do not master anything. And this is the one biggest reason because of which they fail. Now, if you are someone who is planning for CGL 2026 and committing this mistake, then stop it now. Because in this video, I'm going to give you a solution which will completely change the way you have been reading, and this will be more of selection oriented one. Now, what is this? Let's understand in detail. I am going to give you one system which is intensely mentorship driven, and that system is going to help you get extremely better in terms of your preparation, in terms of your revision, in terms of your mock score. How this system is going to help you, let's understand it one by one. Now, the first thing we are solving with this system is that in the era of social media, there is no scarcity of content. You can get enough content, you can get enough strategy every day in YouTube, but that strategy is causing you confusion and keeping you in the trap of failure, because the biggest problem lies here how to use that content. So we are solving this with our one system, how on day-to-day basis you are going to use this system to understand how and what to use on daily basis. The second problem we are dealing is every day you have this confusion what exactly to study. You have 3 4 Telegram channels, there are different schedule going on and you are not sure of what will exactly help you with this study. If I study these things, if I cover these 4 topics, how much score I am going to achieve with these 4 topics? Or after following this whole system for 5 days, what is your exact position? So this system is going to answer what you are exactly going to study and what will be your situation after 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. Now, the third and the biggest problem I am going to solve with this system is that most of you do not understand exactly where you are losing the marks. If you understand where you are losing the marks, you do not get a hold of why you are losing it. What is the actual problem? And even if you understand these two, you fail over here. What needs to be changed in terms of improving your score? Now, our mentorship is going to change the way you are preparing for the examination, the way you are analyzing your mocks, and the way your improvement should happen to get you the selection. I am giving you a free complete system which is named as CGL Sprint 2026. This is completely free of cost. As I have already mentioned, it will be intense mentorship led. So if you are serious about your selection, then do follow, otherwise don't, because it will be hard for all of you. This thing is available in our free course section in Simply Crack app. Also, I will tell you when this will start. Just watch till the end to get all the information. Now, this particular course will have 3 folders. First folder will be about why do you need this course, how this will going to help you. Second will be the sprint. This is the most important one. How to use it, I'm going to explain in the next slide. Third is your mentorship room, where a live session will happen to analyze your mocks to help you understand where you are making the mistakes and how you can improve your mistakes and improve your score. Now, let's understand the sprint. Now, in the sprint, you get daily targets. In this daily target, there will be links of your classes. Let's say if you have completed the class, then what sort of PYQs you need to practice, what sort of tests you need to give. There will be a schedule completely given in the folder and it will be completely distraction free. Same goes for day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and on 7th day we will have our live session to help you understand where you are exactly in terms of your mock score, how you can improve your mock score, and what needs to be changed in the upcoming week so that your probability of selection will be higher than everyone else for your upcoming CGL examination. I hope you got the idea how this system is going to change the way you are preparing today. Now, I need one thing from all of you. Type in the comment, yes, I will get selected this year. And with that positive thought, you lock in with this sprint and execute whatever I am going to tell you, whatever we are going to provide you through this CGL Sprint 2026, and you will see your name is in the tier 2 list. So that's it. All the very best, guys. Do not forget to comment this. Let's see how many of you are serious.